Hello guys, and welcome to today's video. If you are new subscriber coming to this channel, I'm AB, and if you are returning subscriber, I always welcome you here. Today we are going to focus on the cardless arbitrage, the opportunity that is in there, that we are going to be using PayPal to be funding our Magnatus. So from Magnatus we will be taking it to Advance Cash, then from there to Binance. This method is more profitable if you can follow the process how it is, because you don't even have to worry about your bank card or something else, or you have exceed the limit or something else. And I know there will be a lot of people here who will be wondering about how are we going to be funding the PayPal account that we are not using ATM card to fund it or something else. My brother, if you do not know the way, many people I know that are watching this video already know the process and the procedure. They can do it, they know how to do it, or they can find the way to do it. And me myself here, I have a way to do it, and I will share it with you guys, but not now. Now what we are going to focus on is how to create the PayPal account that is not Nigerian PayPal, the one that can send and receive fund and keep balance there, and the one that we will do such settings in it to enable us to get opportunity of this cardless arbitrage that we are going to be using it. And so guys, without wasting time here, let's proceed into the video. But before we go there, I would like to take an apology from you people. As you know, I always love to tell you my disclaimer here. This video is not by any means for financial advice. This content is only meant to help your brain grow and get more educated about something that you already know or you want to know. So let's proceed on to the video. Now I will be sharing my system screen for you people to see how we are going to follow the step by step to get into and get that PayPal account that is not in Nigeria, and you will be able to use it and send and receive payments in it, and we will use it for this cardless arbitrage that I'm talking about. So if you are ready, we can proceed, and you will see the way that we are going to do this PayPal account now. Right now we are here. You will see how we are going to create the PayPal account. But before we go there, I will give you some time to just go and give a thumb like to this video, please. I'm waiting for you to like the video. Okay, let's proceed now. I will be sharing my system screen for you people to see how we are going to follow the step by step to create this PayPal account. So let's go into the video, guys.
And so guys, before I go far, I want to use this opportunity and thank the person that helped you guys and sponsored this video for it to reach you. Do this video right now. I'm willing to do it next week, but he's the one that sponsored the video for it to reach you now with his help. So anyway, I want to appreciate my man from Kogi, Mr. Theophilus. Thank you so much. And though you don't know him or something else, just appreciate him. So let's move on. What we're going to do, let me go to my browser. So as you can see, this one is the PayPal for Nigeria users that we are able to use here. If you check it, you find that is the PayPal for Nigerian users. Here is paypal.com/ng. If you check it, that's how the link is there. So we do not need this one. What we are going to be using is this one. The paypal.com/ae. Let me pass the link again. Sorry, I will leave the link for you people in description. So once you check the description of this video, you find the link. So once you pass the link, you open it. This is how it is going to view. So when you check, there's differences between the PayPal for Nigerians and the other PayPal that we are using. This one is only personal, that is here, and in the personal, the features that are available here, send payments. You won't be able to receive payments in this one. Search for this pay online, you won't be able to receive payments. But this one that we are going to be using here, if you check it, you will find that if you click on it, you will be able to do many sorts of things: accept payments, make payments, manage risk, a lot of things that are not there in the Nigerian PayPal. So, and if you check the listing for this one, the link here, the address, you find that is paypal.com. This is it, paypal.com/ae. So that is how it is, how it look like. So I will leave the link for you guys in the description of this video. So without wasting your time, let's go to the process. So open a business account, we are going to click on it. So once we click here, guys, you have to follow this process step by step, because if you do not follow it step by step, you may be losing something else, and if you lose something else, that means you are risking your hard-earned capital there. So now you input your mail here, any mail that you wish to register this with it. So you are going to be putting that mail, the mail that you know that you have never registered PayPal account before with it. So that is the mail that you will be putting here, and you now click on continue. So once you click on continue, you now input the password that you need. Any password that you need, you are just going to be putting it here. So like now, for instance, I will be putting this password here, like any password that you wish, but it has to be strong password for you to be able to be strong. So let's go now. After inputting my password, you see this thing that I get here, what they are saying here: enter between 8 to 20 characters, an upper and lower case letter, a number or a symbol. So now let's click on continue, since we have put those ones. So now if you see, here is the data that they need you to put. So you have to concentrate here. As you can see, business phone number, you can see that the country that you choose, this is the country code. So now before coming to here, let's begin with putting our name and everything. So you just put your own data as how it is. You are just going to be putting your own data here. So once you put your own data, you are good to go. Just put your own data anyhow it is, just put it like that. So like now for me, the business data, you have to put business name here. So the name that this thing that you will be putting for your own business. So that's why I tell you that even the VIP group, it's more important for you to be there in the VIP group. There's a lot of opportunities there. So like now, for instance, me, I'll be putting my business name like this. Now for instance, any business name that you wish to put, you will be putting it there. So like now, for instance, business phone number. So you have to concentrate here in this business phone number. You have to concentrate. Don't just go and follow it like this. They say that this is the name you want your customer to see. Like if someone want to make payment or something else to you as a business, this is the name that they will be seeing. So now, what is there here? You have to make sure that you change this one to your country, to our country, Nigeria. So now we will be finding our country here between these countries here. So I will be finding Nigeria here. So this is our country. I click on Nigeria. So once you click on Nigeria, you put your own phone number. You put your own phone number here. Like now, for instance, I want to use this phone number. It's one. So after putting the phone number, you are going to proceed on the business address. Like now you see, I put the country code as Nigeria. My phone number is here. He's writing here. So even you are going to put the phone number that you have never registered this with it, so that you won't get any such of mistake or error. So now follow it step by step for you to not make a mistake or something else. So now they say the address, your own address. Just put your own address as it is, as how you get it. You are using your own normal address here in our country. Like now for me, now I'm just going to be leaving it at this Kalambena. So additional information, you can add additional information for your own address if you need. So that one is optional, it's only if you need. So now I will be changing the city to this one. So now you see here if you look well, you will see that they are giving us an error message here in this address, Emirates. They are giving us an error message. Like now for this Emirates, you are going to click on it. If you click on it, you must select an address that is there in the country that we choose. So now let's go for the country. Let's go for the state. Now we are just going to be choosing this one, Abu Dhabi. So we are going for Abu Dhabi. So when we go for Abu Dhabi, here is primary currency. You can choose many such of currencies here. The pound, the euro, many currencies are here. The Swiss, everything is here. Most of popular currencies are here, so we are just going with the US dollar here. It's normal for us. We check on this box, so we now come and click on this agree and continue. So once we click on agree and continue, we are good to go. We will wait for it to load up and show us. You see, describe your business. Describe your business. That's what they say. We should describe our business. So business type, you are going to tell us the type. We are going to tell them the type of business that we are doing. Like now, you just find any business that you just check off what is your business all about. So I will just click on the first one, individual solve. So now, public or service keyword. So now the public of service or service keyword, you just input any listing for that you wish to, and so here you just fill in your data as normal. Now for the product or service keyword, I'm just going to be using professional. You can use anyone that you decide that. So now I'll be using professional service. Yeah, so if you have a website now, you can link it here. You can put the link for your website. The address of your website is optional. If you don't have it, you can leave it like that. It's not must that you will use it. So I will click on the continue button. Once we click on the continue button, this is the page that it will take us again. So you have to fill this information again. Now tell us about you. They want to get to know you now. So the date of birth, the everything that you know that is normally your own, you are just going to be putting it here. Don't worry, we are not using our country listing paper, and still I say that you should use the same listing your own data here. So don't worry about this. So just come and select it. Like now, for instance, if you say is the first, like now 1st January, my own, it depends. Anyhow your own date of birth is, that's how you are going to be putting it. Like now, nationality nationality, just come and choose Nigeria. Don't worry about this, just choose Nigeria. That's why I tell you there's a lot of things that you have to see in this video. And so let's go. Identity document, any document can verify this. Any document, yes, I mean any document, like national ID, passport, driver's license. As long as you have any of these ones, so you are good to go. I will be choosing the national ID, or let me go with international passport, because it will be more easily for them to even verify you and so much and so on. So the passport number, you'll be putting the passport number. It depends. So you will put your own passport number now. So for the security purpose, I won't even be using my passport now. I'll be using the national ID. So the NIN, I will be hiding it, but sorry for this, it's only for security purpose. And so now, after putting the data for your national ID or passport or driver's license or anything that you have, so this home address, we are not going to be filling it here. We are just going to select same as business address. So everything has come here, so we are just going to be submitting it. Now once we click on submit, so yeah, we have got it here. So yeah, it's loading up. So once you are here, you have got your PayPal account. But guys, to be honestly, you can send and receive money with this account, but for us to be doing that arbitrage that I tell us, you have to cover a much of settings here that you have to cover. You can pay and get paid, you can add your card here, you can send money, you can do a lot of things. You can create an invoice here. This is the option to create an invoice, see it here. So if you have money, total received and everything, if you want to request money, there's the option that you go and fill everything to request the money. This is the page for you to be able to request money. You just input your mail address and anything. The person that wants to send you money, you can put his email address or phone number. So it depends. There's a lot of features in this one that we will be using. So that's why I tell you that you have to be in the VIP group as long as you want to benefit about this one, about this arbitrage that we are planning to go on for this one. for the this thing, for the other side, this Magnatus. So what is there's a lot of things happening here in the Magnatus, and the thing is just going very cool. The transactions, the everything. I can even show you one of my recent transaction with them. Let me see if I can show you that. So the recent transaction that I made with them is, let me log into the account. Without wasting your time, I will just post the video here to log in. So this is the transactions that I made with them and everything. So here is, let me see here, let me show you this thing, the other Nigerian PayPal account. Like now, for instance, let me log in for the account that I have with this one, so that you will see the differences between this Nigeria PayPal and the other one. Like now, for instance, if you come here and say paypal.com, yeah, paypal.com/ng, yeah, /ng. So hit the search button and wait for it to load up, depending on the network. So unfortunately, they won't allow me to go to that account until I log out of this account. So I don't want to waste your time here. Once I log out here, they will allow me to log into the other account, but I don't want to waste you guys time here. So this is this thing that you create, the PayPal account. Here, this PayPal account can send and receive money. You can do a lot of things with this one if you are working on many ways that require you to put like PayPal mail to receive your money or something else. So you can still use this PayPal account, and there's a process that you follow to link your card and everything with it. And normally our cards here in Nigeria, you can link it and put everything and do everything, but you can't use the 3 cards. I'm talking about now if you have received payment from someone or from some company that you work abroad or something else online, you have worked for them, they pay you in your PayPal account. So there's a lot of way that you can link your card that will be able to receive payment in this PayPal account, but not here our local cards. So but this is the only way that I'm leaving you guys here. So yours AB Tech and Crypto, and
it's AB here again, guys. We have finished creating our PayPal account now that can send and receive money. With this PayPal account, anyone can send you money, and you can send money to anyone in every part of the world that accepts PayPal funds. So now you don't have problem with sending and receiving funds, and any site, any place, anything, you can use this PayPal account to receive your money, and you will be able to convert it to your Naira. But now we are not talking about that part. So there's the completeness of this video that I did not complete here, but now you will be able to create the PayPal account if you follow the steps that I mentioned in this video. But the steps that I say that I do not give out in this video, but some steps that I say that I do not mention here in this video is for our VIP team. I really apologize for that. If you need such information, you have to be in the VIP team first before getting such information. Those at the VIP team will be able to have access to this information, because with that, if you complete all those settings in your PayPal account, you complete everything, you will be able to use it for this cardless arbitrage that I'm talking about. So if you do not input those settings, it may be problem in your side while you start using your own PayPal account. But for now, you will be able to send and receive money in that PayPal account. But for us to be able to use it for this cardless arbitrage, there's such settings that we need to do in the account in the PayPal. So if you need such information, you have to be in the VIP team. I really apologize for this, and I want you people to know that I'm always here for you, to serve you well, to give you any updates that I have that will benefit you all here. So I always wish you all the best. Yours AB Tech and Crypto. See you at the moon, guys.